Hi everyone, David Theriault here, and today I'm going to do a short, quick video tutorial on how to use Giphy to make custom GIFs for you and for your students. I often make GIFs for presentations, and my students will make GIFs, and my students love learning how to make their own GIFs instead of just finding a GIF, and they'll even use it in other classes. I've had students make GIFs for science presentations and history presentations. So not all of my students know how to make GIFs. In fact, most of them don't. They just know how to find them and share them. And so this is a pretty cool tool. So the first thing you're going to do is you need to find a video source. A lot of times I'll give my students a specific video to use or a list of videos to use because I don't want them to just grab any video on YouTube. I don't know if it's appropriate or not, or I don't know if the person in it is, some weird person or whatever. So I'll give them a specific video. So we're going to use a video from the movie Once Upon a Time in the West. And here's what the video kind of looks like. And I want to get to a part of the scene.
Frank sent us. You bring a horse for me? Looks like we're shy of one horse. You brought too many.
All right, great. This is absolutely great. So the part I want to get actually is when they all turn around here. So I think, whew. Okay, that part right there. So we're at 16 seconds in. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Giphy, and I'm going to hit create. So giphy.com. I'm going to hit create. And you just have to grab the URL of the YouTube videos. So the URL is right up here at the top. Boom, boom, boom. Sorry. Copy. Go back to Giphy. And you paste it right here on the bottom. So see on the bottom right here, just paste it. Okay, and there it is. And so remember it was 16 seconds. So start time, let's do 15 and see if that's right. I want to get them right when they're turning, so actually I'm going to come in just a little bit earlier. Okay, so now they're turning back. And actually I'm going to make the GIF, you can make the GIF just a little bit longer, so let's make it 5 seconds. Okay, they're talking, and now they have to turn back. Okay, perfect. So then what you do is once you have the little clip that you want to make a GIF, you hit continue to decorate down here on the bottom right. And then you're going to enter your caption. And I got to wait here a little bit for it to load. My internet connection at home is slow right now. And my caption is going to be when the teacher says, I excuse you, not the bell. Okay. And you can move this down. So when the teacher says, I excuse you, not the bell. And then you got to scroll down just a little bit to hit continue to upload. So you hit continue to upload. And then we don't need to worry about the extra info. We're going to hit, oh, and by the way, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm logged in. You used to be able to create GIFs without logging in, but now you need to log in. And then I'm just going to hit upload to Giphy. and this little green thing will go. And if the green thing ever gets stuck, sometimes you have to start all over again. But the green thing will go, and hopefully it won't get stuck. Fingers crossed. Come on, almost there. Just right there. Don't get stuck. This will happen in class sometimes. Sometimes the students, if they're all making these at the same time, it can really like suck up the bandwidth. But usually if you just do it again, it'll happen. Oh, there we go. Okay, boom. I got my GIF. So what you can do is you can go to media, and you can download it right here. So you can download, hit the little download button. Now you have your own custom GIF that you can insert into Google Slides, or my students actually can post it right into a Canvas discussion, which is pretty cool. All right, there you go. That's how to make a Giphy, and we're all done, and it's pretty cool. Okay, thank you very much.